Hi friends, Cristiano Ronaldo hit a post and missed out on a first domestic trophy with Al Nassr by the finest of margins as the Saudi Pro League side lost the 2024 Kings Cup final 5-4 on penalties to nine-man Al Hilal following a 1-1 draw after extra time in Jeddah. Al Nassr, who also had a man sent off, would have won had Ali Al Hassan converted his spot kick in the shootout, only for Morocco goalkeeper Yassin Bonu to save the Saudi Arabia midfielder's effort. After Salam Aldafsari scored his subsequent penalty, Bonu stopped Meshari Al Nemr's strike to land top-flight champions Al Hilal a treble. Al Nassr's nemesis returned to haunt them for one last time this season as Al Hilal sealed another trophy. Former Fulham and Newcastle United striker Alexander Mitrovic had pounced to nod in the opening goal in the 7th minute at King Abdullah Sports City, but Ayman Yahya headed the equaliser from a long throw in 2 minutes from the end of regular time. Having beaten Ronaldo's team on their way to winning the Saudi Super Cup in April and finished 12 points above them in the league, the unbeaten victor secured a successful defense of the Kings Cup, triumphing for an 11th time and surviving Ronaldo finding the woodwork with an acrobatic attempt 2 minutes after the break. Al Nassr were hampered by the dismissal of David Ospina 11 minutes later when the ex-Napoli and Arsenal goalkeeper handled the ball outside of his penalty area. Former Liverpool forward Sadio Mane was swiftly sacrificed to allow substitute goalkeeper Walid Abdullah to come on. Ospina had been attempting to stop Malcolm, who had set up Mitrovic's goal, from breaking free to score a second for Al Hilal. Al Hilal ruled that miss when Ali Al Bulehi was sent off for headbutting Sami Al Najahi in the 87th minute in an act which had the notoriously provocative defender's own teammates remonstrating with him. After Yahya levelled, Al Hilal lost both of their centre-backs when former Chelsea player Kalidou Koulibaly saw red for a challenge on Abdullah a minute into second half added time. Having made it through another 30 minutes, Al Hilal missed their first penalty of the shootout when Ruben Neves sent his shot wide, only for Alex Telles to immediately direct his over the crossbar for Al Nassr. Ronaldo duly scored, as did Mitrovic, the only player to come close to Ronaldo's remarkable total of 35 goals in 34 league matches, scoring 28 times. Abdullah saved Saad Abdulhamid's penalty to put Al Nassr on the brink of glory, but Al Hassan could not capitalize, Al Nemr following suit to settle an extraordinary decider.